Welcome, fellow professionals, to our discussion on leadership in the remote work era. As we embark on this journey together, we'll delve into the essential skills necessary for success in today's corporate environment. Whether you're a seasoned executive or an aspiring leader, this guide will equip you with the tools to thrive in a rapidly evolving business world. The evolution of leadership. In this section, we'll explore how leadership has evolved in response to the rise of remote work. We'll discuss the shift from traditional hierarchies to more agile, collaborative models. By understanding this evolution, you'll be better prepared to adapt your leadership style to meet the demands of the modern workplace. Communication in a virtual environment. Effective communication is the cornerstone of successful leadership, especially in a remote setting. Here, we'll uncover strategies for fostering clear, meaningful communication among remote teams. From mastering video conferencing etiquette to leveraging digital tools for collaboration, you'll learn how to keep your team connected and engaged. Building trust and accountability. In a remote work environment, trust is paramount. Without the benefit of face-to-face interaction, leaders must find new ways to build trust and accountability among their teams. We'll explore techniques for fostering trust through transparency, consistency, and empathy. By cultivating a culture of trust, you'll empower your team to take ownership of their work and deliver exceptional results. Adaptability and resilience. In today's fast-paced business world, adaptability is essential for survival. Leaders must be agile enough to navigate unforeseen challenges and pivot when necessary. We'll discuss the importance of resilience in the face of adversity and explore strategies for cultivating a growth mindset. By embracing change and uncertainty, you'll position yourself and your team for long-term success. Empowering remote teams. Empowered teams are the backbone of any successful organization. In this section, we'll examine ways to empower remote teams by fostering autonomy, creativity, and collaboration. From setting clear goals to providing ongoing feedback and support, you'll discover how to unleash the full potential of your team members and drive innovation. As we conclude our discussion on leadership in the remote work era, I encourage you to reflect on the insights and strategies we've covered today. By honing your communication skills, building trust and accountability, embracing adaptability and resilience, and empowering your remote teams, you'll be well equipped to thrive in today's corporate environment. Remember, leadership is not just about managing tasks, it's about inspiring and empowering others to achieve greatness. Together, let's embrace the challenges and opportunities of remote work and lead our teams to new heights of success. Thank you for joining us on this journey.